Because, you know, essentially, the best point guards, they put their signature on the game.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, pag nandun ang mga magagaling na point guard, nararamdaman mo yung kanilang experience and poise.
At saka kasi alam naman natin, no, ang Magnolia, for them to be able to establish control of this game, they've got to set the pace. Slow down ang pace nila as against yung up and down game ng Barangay Ginebra. And the guard is the one who sets the pace. Now, kanina nakita natin, no, wheeling and dealing si Jamil Watkins. Again, he put the ball on the floor, pero walang tumulong sa depensa ng Barangay Ginebra. And Watkins is looking for Pingris at the low post, no, and inside the shaded area. Siya yung designated recipient kung nasa ilalim yung bola.
By the way, si Helterbrand ang tinawagan ng foul is first personal. Third team foul laban sa Ginebra. And as Tubit gets the ball, it appears that wala yata sa bench itong si Mark Caguioa. I don't know. Is he actually on the bench? Parang wala nga. We'll try to find out where exactly Mark Caguioa is. Artadi misses the layup, but he got the ball back. And Artadi puts it up with a floater.
Again, Barangay Ginebra going with that backcourt of Helterbrand and Artadi. And sabi ka natin kanina, no? Mark Caguioa appears to be missing from the bench. So we'd like to get a report. Where is Mark Caguioa? Ganon din kung ano ba nangyari kay Dondon Ontiveros, who was injured earlier in the game.
Well, ang balita natin kay Dondon, he suffered a sprain. So at least, you know, it's not as bad as something else. Ano?
Okay.
Mabuti yung sprain na lang.
Pero makakabalik kaya siya?
Yun ang tanong. No sign of Dondon. And also no sign of Mark Caguioa as Helterbrand connects.
Now with Mark Caguioa not on the floor, here is an opportunity.
Not on the bench.
Not on the bench. Oh. An opportunity for the players of Barangay Ginebra to step up. Matindi yung mga tawagan dito sa traveling violation. I think they look at the pivot foot once you lift it in trying to make that move. Talagang pipito. They dribble muna bago gumalaw.
Alley-oop for J.J. Helterbrand.
It's a little bit of a breakdown now defensively for Magnolia.
At timeout muna ang Magnolia rito with 7:16 remaining. Ginebra on top by 3, 51-48. The action continues here inside the Big Dome.